Welcome back to the Stoneburner Books YouTube channel. This is a look at all of the books that I made in June. June has been kind of a different month. I started the month with a few more production things that I needed to do, and then a look at this custom order. Here you'll see that I have several different volumes from the Little House on the Prairie series, and this was a custom order from a previous client. And once this was done, I kind of went into summer mode. So you'll see that I don't have that many books after this one. And if I am looking forward to the future, I think July is probably going to be a little light. It's really nice to take a little bit of time and kind of rest and refresh my brain and just kind of make the few little items that I like to do. So here's a look at what I made this month. If you're trying to keep track, I made 17 books this month, which is probably my lowest so far this year, but I'm totally okay with that. I hope that you will like this video, subscribe, and come back and see how many I make in July.